That would really be more of a question if we didn't have such ironclad evidence against Hunter Biden. I mean, the reality is that they've got him dead to rights. They've got the audio book. They've got so much evidence here. And I think that the addition of an instruction really doesn't change the math for the jury if they are going to follow the judge's instructions. And that's the real question. I think the defense team is probably going to go for a bit of a nullification strategy and get them to deviate from the instructions. But the reality is if they're following it, I think the case is set for Hunter Biden. And really, this is more about preserving a potential appellate issue down the road.
Interesting. Ron, I want to go back to you on this. And, you've got Hunter Biden who's not going to take the stand. But had he have taken the stand, could he not have picked up maybe some sympathy points there with this Delaware jury where the Biden family is royalty in that state? What, was that maybe a poor choice? I know, Sarah, you mentioned that this shows weakness in their case. What's your take?
Well, I think that it would have had the opposite effect. I mean, the reality is that he could face direct exam, be very gentle on direct, but then cross-examination's coming and he's going to have answers for why he said specific things related to his addiction and now seems to be declining that he had an addiction at the time. That's not going to fly. He would have to get very defensive, and that is something that is going to turn the jury against him. I think you can try to get all of the sympathy points outside of having him on the stand to testify. And I think the statistics are pretty clear. When defendants testify, they tend not to do as well at trial, especially in cases like this.
Oh, wow. Well